Hey guys, we're at a place called Ghost Town where we went last year, and at the moment I'm feeding this little Shetland pony, and this is its offspring or something. That must be the mother to these two foals here, and that must be the father. Come over here, feed this little one over here. Oh no, the mother wants it. Let your baby have some. There we go. They must be brother and sister, or two sisters or two brothers. In here we've got a peacock. And you've got some guinea fowl down here. Then you've got two peahens in this little hut here. You probably can't see them, but you've got the peahen probably on a nest. Then, all along here, we've got the ghost town, what I showed you last year. These was built by the Greeks, I think, and they got evicted so many years ago. This place is called the Ghost Town. love this place. I love the name of it, Ghost Town. So this is like a village just deserted, and these buildings has been like left like this for years and years, and for must be about thousands of years. And the little ghost town just goes all the way back there, as you can see. Behind that tree, and it goes all up there. And that's your ghost town in Turkey, in Fethiye. So it says that's the wrong way around, it's in Fethiye, Turkey. And there we have it. That's the end of the video. Look out for the next video to come.